Okay, here is me playing a Supersonic versus Sonic in Supersonic Flash, a really popular Flash game. I'm gonna do something that'll blow your pants off. Not really. Yeah, just watch. There is a bunch of bombs, as you can see. I'll spawn another bomb on just from Supersonic, and just chuck the bomb on, and look at the damage. Look at the damage. Insane, right? Right? it's 200 to 1,509% of damage. That is a whole lot of damage, my friend. So yeah. Stupid Sonic. Yeah, so that's all I really wanted to show you. Yeah. See ya.